What makes the rose the most loved flower on earth? Is it the beauty, the fragrance, or the secrets hidden in its petals? Welcome back. Today, we are exploring the queen of flowers, the rose. From its rich history and magical fragrance to its deep meaning in culture, beauty, and love, the rose has a story that goes far beyond the garden. Stay with me as we uncover the hidden facts, color meanings, and the powerful uses of this timeless flower. Detailed description about the rose. The rose is one of the most admired, celebrated, and timeless flowers in the world. Belonging to the genus Rosa, it has enchanted humans for thousands of years with its beauty, fragrance, and symbolic meaning. Roses grow in a variety of climates across the globe, from temperate regions to carefully cultivated gardens. Known as the Queen of Flowers, the rose is a symbol of love, beauty, purity, honor, and even mystery. Appearance. Roses come in countless shapes and sizes. They typically have soft, velvety petals arranged in layers, sharp thorns along the stem, glossy green leaves, a striking range of colors, from red and pink to yellow, white, orange, purple, and even blue, artificially created. Each rose variety has its own fragrance. Some are sweet and gentle, others deep and rich, and some almost spicy or citrus-like. Colors and their symbolism. Each rose color carries a unique meaning: red rose, love, romance, passion. White rose, purity, peace, innocence. Pink rose, gratitude, admiration, sweetness. Yellow rose, friendship, joy, positivity. Orange rose, energy, excitement, enthusiasm. Purple rose, enchantment, mystery, royalty. Blue or black roses, mystery, transformation, which means often artificial or specially bred. Varieties of roses. There are over 300 species and thousands of hybrid varieties. Some major types include hybrid tea roses, large, elegant blooms. Floribunda roses, clusters of flowers, great for gardens. Climbing roses, can grow along walls, arches, and fences. Miniature roses, small and compact, perfect for pots. Shrub roses, hardy and bushy, require less care. Wild roses, simple flowers with 5 petals, naturally found in the wild. Cultural significance of rose. Roses have been deeply rooted in human history and culture. In Greek mythology, roses were created by Aphrodite, the goddess of love. In Rome, rose petals were used in celebrations and perfumes. In India, roses are used in pujas, decorations, and traditional medicines. They are a symbol of eternal love, often used in weddings, romantic gifts, and celebrations. The rose is the national flower of countries like the USA, England, Iran, and the Maldives. Uses of roses. Roses are not just beautiful, they are incredibly useful in perfume industry. Rose oil and rose water are used to make luxurious perfumes and skincare products. In cosmetics or skincare, rose water helps with skin hydration, soothing irritation, reducing redness, anti-aging treatments. In culinary uses, rose petals and rose essence are used in sweets like gulkand, rose jam. Desserts, teas, traditional drinks. Medicinal uses of roses. Roses are used in Ayurveda and herbal remedies for stress relief, digestive health, cooling the body, improving mood. In decoration or events, roses are popular in weddings, festivals, bouquets, garlands, garden landscapes. Growth or care of rose plant. Roses require 6 hours of sunlight, well-drained soil, regular watering, occasional pruning, protection from pests like aphids. With proper care, roses bloom beautifully throughout the season. Fun facts about roses. Roses are over 35 million years old, according to fossil evidence. The world has more than 30,000 rose varieties bred by humans. The largest rose bush covers more than 9,000 square feet, in Arizona, USA. Some roses have over 200 petals in a single flower. Rose oil is extremely rare. 1 kilogram of rose oil requires almost 3 to 4 tons of petals. Roses are more than just beautiful, they're symbols of love, purity, strength, and nature's elegance. From perfumes to medicine, from stories to celebrations, they touch every part of human life. So next time you see a rose, remember, it's not just a flower, it's a whole story waiting to be told. If you enjoyed learning about the magical world of roses, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nature wonders.